Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to make an invoice on iPhone. First of all, search here numbers, tap on numbers, tap on this plus icon, scroll down, inside of business section tap on invoice, and you can zoom your invoice from here, and all you have to do is just edit your invoice from here. Double tap on the part you want to edit, and that's how you will be able to customize this invoice. Tap on this plus icon, and from here you can add chart, 3D, object and image. Once your invoice ready, tap on this three dot to the top right corner, tap on share, and now you will be able to share your invoice from these options. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.